In a Montessori educational environment for children between 3 and 5 years of age, we see children happily at work with mathematical material, and they often possess an amount of mathematical knowledge which seems precarious. The child who has worked with our sensorial apparatus has not only acquired greater skill in the use of his hands, but also achieved a higher degree of perceptiveness towards those stimuli which comes from the outside world. Number rods helps the child to experience the quantities of each number and to learn their respective names and to help memorize the sequence of numbers from 1 to 10.
1.
Sandpaper ciphers teach the child the symbols for the numbers he already knows. It also prepares the hand for writing of symbols.
2.
Number rods and cards help to relate the symbols to the quantities that the child already knows and introduce the sequence of the symbols. The spindles clarify the idea that the symbols represent a certain quantity of separate objects. This activity introduced the concept of zero and its symbol. Cards and counters helps to verify whether the child has mastered the sequence of numbers, how many separate units go to form each number, to indicate the odd and even number. We introduce the decimal system to show the relationship between one category and the next. We introduce the symbols of the quantities he has been previously presented.
So when there are 3 zeros and it's green in color, it's 1000.
Through the decimal system formation of numbers, we show the child how to make numbers with more than one category and to read them. Stamp game is introduced to reinforce and consolidate the understanding acquired previously by means of individual work, to further the sensorial experience of place value. Teen boards are offered to the child to give a sensorial experience that the teen numbers are made by a 10 and a number from 1 to 9, and to learn the names of the quantities 11 to 19, and to learn its sequence.
17, 18, 19.
Linear counting of 100 chain.
97, 98, 99, 100.
And 1000 chain provides practice in counting.
993, 994, 995.
Skip counting gives the child further experience of counting linearly. Addition board helps in memorization of basic addition combinations. Subtraction board helps in the memorization of subtraction combinations. Addition charts help in the memorization of combinations of addition. Subtraction charts help in the memorization of combinations of subtraction. Multiplication charts help in the memorization of combinations of multiplication. Division charts help in the memorization of combinations of division. It is certain that mathematics organizes the abstract path of the mind, so we must offer it at an early age, in a clear and very accessible manner, as a stimulus to the child whose mind is yet to be organized. Thus, we must give mathematics as something to enjoy, to explore, but not just to get the results only. So the child should come to the understanding himself and discover for himself. Mathematics must be enjoyed by the child for one's own benefit, and he should not be bored with it.